Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today we have got our dealer roundtable here at the indoor go-kart racing, and we've got 7 of these guys, and the winner of this race gets a huge trophy, and then second and third place will get trophies also. So these go-karts go like 45 miles per hour. They are fast. It's a lot of fun. Hi guys. So boogity, 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 let's go racing. Yes. Okay, so we just finished up the race, and it looks like Dave Cranston Jr. came in first place. Matt Warner came in second, and then John Litchfield finished up in third. So Dave, what was the key to your success?
Well, the key to my success was the same thing that is the key to most sales success, and that is you wait for your opportunity. And so I just waited patiently, and the driver in front of me made a mistake, and I took advantage.
Are you okay with that, Matt?
Yeah, oh yeah. I mean, I'm going to throw this second place trophy away, but...
All right, so that's all we got this week. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.